Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Substack Writer Dashboard, publish paid newsletters step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Substack, www.substack.com. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Substack account. Click on the Continue button. Check your email for a login link from Substack. Open the email and click on the provided link. You will be redirected to your Substack dashboard. If prompted, enter your password. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on Dashboard to access your Writer Dashboard. Here, you can view your existing newsletters and drafts. To create a new newsletter, click on the New Post button. Choose the type of newsletter you wish to publish. Customize your newsletter by adding a title and content. If you want to offer it as a paid subscription, toggle the payment option. Review your newsletter for any final edits. When you're satisfied, click on the Publish button. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in and published a paid newsletter on Substack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.